my name is Yousuf Khan, and I'm sure a lot of you have already met Kabir, my son, and Dr. Kedar. My son Kabir was born about 18 days ago, and he is the first surrogate single father child born in Goa. So I'm a single father, and I used a surrogate to have a baby. And it's one of the best things I have absolutely ever done. My life has completely changed. I didn't grow up thinking, oh, where is my life partner, and I have to look for this and I have to get this arranged. I was already quite complete. I had set in my ways, and I didn't have this relationship gene, but I had a very strong parenting gene. I've had wanted a child for as long as I can remember. So then after researching and after the wonderful laws that allow it, and it is definitely possible to do that here. The gestation period for a lady or for a couple is about 9 months. But for a single father, I'd say it's about 4 years, because that's how long it takes. You know, I had to float the idea with my family. I had to, first of all, explain the process of IVF to my parents.
We can't vouch for anything when the pregnancy is ongoing. We then kind of do all the tests to make sure that the baby is normal between 11 to 12 weeks, then again at 16 to 18 or 20 weeks. Sonographies, blood tests, markers are done. Make sure that we understand that the baby is normal, and then we continue with the pregnancy and delivery. So it's a massive responsibility.
If not normal?
If not normal, then it's a problem.
What?
Yes, yeah, it's a problem. That's how it is. So I was lucky it happened the very first attempt.
Yes.
After having failed in 11 places. But that's not always the case. Like I said, it could be a lottery.